Annabelle Alavis, aka with the news. Okay, today our major topic is how to treat the playground with respect. Young kids out there should learn from this young lady how not to act around the park. You have to be responsible and respectful here. You do not want to act like Patrick Star. Trust me, it does not pay out. Okay, here we go, chat. Dun, 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 dun. I hope you hear from this young lady. Do not act like that around the playground. Do not act like that around the playground. Do never be like that. Respect the playground. This has been SpongeBob SquarePants with the news.